welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be testing out the new Coca-Cola palette from Morphe. So this is the Unity collection altogether. This is pretty cool, I have to say. I love the packaging. So the palette itself looks like this. So you've got the Coca-Cola bottles all over the front, 1971, and then the colours are like this. So we've got mainly neutral tones in this one, and then there's some colours and some shimmers on this end here. My friend Finn, she tested the original Coca-Cola palette and did a really lovely look. I'll link it below, and that was mainly like red themed, whereas this one is a lot more neutral. Right, so these are the swatches from the left hand side of the palette. So we've got Good Company, That's the Spirit, Oh Honey, Commercial Break, Warm Fuzzies, and then I forgot about that one, so that's Join Hands. And then Iconic Italy, Grow With It, and what's that? Oh, Bling Along. And then this is the right side. So these ones are mainly shimmers. So we've got Lovey Dovey, Perfect Harmony, 1971, love that one. Heart of Gold, Hilltop Hope, which is also really nice. Flash Forward, Total Unity, Loved Up, and Pop. What is that? And Poptimistic just here. Okay, so as per usual, I'm just going to make it up as I go along. I've got no clue what I'm going to do. Obviously, mainly neutrals, and then one of the shimmers. I think in my crease, I'm going to go in with this one here, so Warm Fuzzies. So that's gone on really nice and pigmented. And then I'm going to blend that out into Join Hands. So this one just here. So yeah, that's all right. And then what I'm going to do, actually I'm going to go away and cut the inner part of that crease next. So I'm just going to go and do that. Right, so that's that done. So next I'm going to go right into this very outer part here, and I'm going to go in with this one here called Commercial Break. Okay, that's really nice, really pigmented. So I'm just going to give that a little blend. So what I'm going to do on the very outer corner is dip into the darkest one, so Iconic Italy, and I'm just going to chuck that on the very outer corner just there and just blend that in. It's a bit patchy on camera because it's not in real life. How bizarre. Anyway, yeah, I washed my brushes this morning, so half of them are still damp. So my blending brushes, the ones that have got a bit of dampness on, they're not obviously blending properly, and I keep picking up the ones that I've washed. So anyway, right, so inner part I'm going to go in with, I think I'm going to go with this one here, so Hilltop Hope. Okay, that shimmer is absolutely stunning. I really like that green. That is beautiful. Right, so underneath I'm going to go on the very outer part here with this really dark colour. So this one here, and then I'm going to go into Warm Fuzzies. yeah, I like that. So inner corner and brow bone, I'm gonna go in with this one. I don't know how intense it's going to be. It might be a bit too intense, but we're going to try it anyway. It has got a little bit more of a greeny shimmer to it, but it kind of goes with the look. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Right, so I'm just going to go finish off this eye and pop some lashes on, and I will be back. And here is the finished look. Yeah, I think it's a really nice palette actually. It blends really well when you don't use wet brushes. And yeah, it is really nice. I love the shimmer. The colours, you know, as I always say, they should do because they're in the same palette. They all blend together really nicely. They go together really nicely. Yeah, I'm really happy with it. I don't know. I'll find out when I'm editing. I don't know if the corners on camera look patchy, but I can assure you they are not. It must be something to do with the lighting because they're not at all. They're actually quite nicely blended. But yeah, I'll give you a quick close-up of the eyes. So here they are close up. I don't know if you can see any better now that they're not patchy. But yeah, that green shimmer, how beautiful is that? Absolutely love it. Yeah, you can see as well that just around my cut crease, what I did is I got what shade was it? The one that I used on my crease, I got that and I just kind of lined around the shimmer a little bit just to make it pop that little bit more as well afterwards. But yeah. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!